Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare Rajma Chawal. This is my recipe. Rajma curry with chawal or with roti is a perfect treat for rainy season. It's very comforting. Let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. Here I've pre-cooked the Rajma and reserved. This is kidney beans. I've used Kashmiri Rajma for this recipe. It's simply soaked in water for overnight, then pressure cooked, and I've reserved it. Using 3 medium tomatoes, I've added it to a mixer jar and ground it into a smooth puree and reserved. We need ginger and garlic paste, asafoetida, chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. We would also require Amchur powder and Garam masala. If you don't have Amchur powder, you can use Pani Puri masala or Jaljeera masala. Here I'll be using whole cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, bay leaf, slit green chilies, and finely chopped onion. Very simple ingredients. I've laid out all the ingredients, and all these ingredients along with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog link, social media link, and my YouTube Tamil channel link will be listed in the description box below this video. So here I've heated a pressure cooker on medium flame. To the pressure cooker I've added oil, and once the oil has heated I've added bay leaf and cumin. Allow the cumin and bay leaf to sputter a bit, and I've added the onion. We'll also add the chilies along with the onion and fry all the ingredients. Once the onion turns transparent, I've added the ginger and garlic paste. I've used a pressure cooker because I'll be cooking the rajma in the pressure cooker once more. So here I've added asafoetida. I'll fry the ginger and garlic paste and the asafoetida till the raw flavor reduces. Now I've added the ground tomato. I'll fry all the ingredients. We'll allow the tomato to cook and the oil to surface. So here you can see the oil has surfaced on top. At this point, I'll add the chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and fenugreek leaf, that is Kasuri Methi. I'll fry all the ingredients. We'll cook all the ingredients till the oil again separates from the masala. We have also added salt. We can adjust the salt in the curry later. This is just for the masala to cook. Now I've added the rajma. So when the rajma cooked, it did not have much water in it. Now I'm going to be adding excess water and I'll cook the rajma. When the rajma cooks with the masala, it enhances the flavor and taste. So now I've added 1.5 cups of warm water, stirred all the ingredients. We can adjust the salt later. We'll place the cover and the whistle. We'll cook this for 2 to 3 whistles, that is 5 minutes on high flame. After 3 whistles, I've allowed the pressure to reduce. Once the pressure has reduced, I have opened the lid. Here you can see the oil has separated. The rajma has cooked well in the masala. At this point, I've added the garam masala and amchur powder. We can also use pani puri masala for this. We can use jaljeera powder. It's up to you. Whatever is there in your pantry, use it. So I have placed this on high flame, added the garam masala and the amchur masala, and just allow everything to boil once more. Once the gravy has reduced, I've added finely chopped coriander and mint. Now I'll stir the curry. The curry is ready. I'm going to be serving this as hot as possible on rice. So this is how I served it for my mom. We normally eat this rajma curry with onion slices, cucumber slices, and mint chutney. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my blog link and social media handle links. So do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.